Now on to our next lick. This is another string bending lick, and for this lick we're going to be making use of a semitone bend. So you're going to be bending a note up by 1 fret. Slash does this kind of thing quite a lot. You can hear examples of this in November Rain as well as Knocking on Heaven's Door. Okay, so this lick works really nicely over a G major or an E minor chord. We're going to play the B string at the 12th fret with your first finger, and when you strike it, you're just going to bend it up by a semitone and then release. It's really important that when you bend, you don't choke the note off. So we get... And then we're going to play the 15th fret of the top E. Now that's where you get that really nice G major tonality. It's almost like a G sus chord resolving to a G major. It's a really, really nice sound over a G major chord, very musical. So one more time. A nice straightforward lick, but really pay attention to the pitch of the string bend and making sure that when you bend up, you don't choke that note. You want to hear that note go up by a semitone and then go back to the starting pitch. So from B up to C and then back down to B. Okay, one more time. I'm also using the palm, this sort of fleshy part of my thumb, to mute out the unused strings. I don't want to get that sort of haze of ringing notes. You want that lick to be nice and clear. Okay, now I'm going to practice that along with the click. A nice straightforward lick for you to practice, but a real essential string bending technique and concept when it comes to studying the playing style of Slash. So now it's your turn to practice our semitone bending lick.